Welcome back to Explore Error. Are you seeing the message, if Smart App Control is off, it can't be turned on without reinstalling Windows 11? Don't worry, you're not the only one facing this issue. Normally, Windows asks for a full reinstall just to enable this option, but today I'll show you an easy workaround that helps you turn it on without reinstalling Windows. Don't worry, this is a quick fix and you don't need to reinstall anything. First, open Windows Search, type regedit, then right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Now, copy the registry path given in the video description, paste it into the address bar at the top, and press Enter. Look for Verified and Reputable Policy State, double-click on it, and change the value from 0 to 1. Now let's check if it worked. Go back to Smart App Control settings, and you should see that Smart App Control is now turned on successfully. If it doesn't update immediately, just restart your PC and check again. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching.